Today from Chez Trips, we prepare garlic butter burgers inspired by Steak and Shake, and they are beautiful. Come on, oh baby, don't you wanna go? Come on. Hello, and welcome to the kitchen of Chez Trips. I'm your owner and proprietor, Chef Trip. For today's video recipe, we are making garlic butter burgers inspired by the restaurant Steak and Shake. You will find all of the ingredients and instructions on the page Chez Trips at sportschicagostyle.com. Divide your beef into small balls and set aside. Prepare burger seasoning by combining the salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder in a small bowl. If you are adding the optional mushrooms, saute them in butter now. In a small saucepan over low heat, melt the butter, then add the minced garlic. Heat the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes or until the garlic butter becomes fragrant. Brush the garlic butter onto the buns and place the buns on the skillet to toast. Toast the buns long enough so the bread begins to brown. Place the ground beef balls on the heated surface and press the burgers into thin patties. Brush the remaining garlic butter onto the top of the ground beef. Then season those patties with the burger seasoning mixture. Please be sure to like, subscribe, follow, and share on our social media platforms on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And if you would like to financially support the pages of Ko-fi and Patreon, all under the name of Sports Chicago Style. Thank you very much. When the burgers have cooked on one side, flip them over and add a slice or two of cheese to each patty. Place the patties onto the buns, then dress the burgers as you desire. I am preparing single burgers, but you can also prepare doubles and triples. And they will be beautiful. Thank you for watching today's video recipe. I hope you enjoyed the burgers if you prepared them in your own kitchen. And please comment on how they turned out. See you next time.